Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? In Houston, Texas, there's a place where that wonder becomes real. This is Space Center Houston, the official visitor center for NASA Johnson Space Center. More than a museum, it's an invitation to explore the incredible story of human space exploration. From the moment you arrive, you feel the energy, a blend of history, science, and imagination. Space Center Houston isn't just for science lovers or aspiring astronauts. It's for anyone who's ever gazed at the moon and dreamed. Here, you connect with the stories of those who ventured into the unknown and the technology that made it possible. Walking through the entrance, you leave the everyday behind and step into a realm where human ingenuity meets the universe. The center is designed to spark curiosity at every turn, with sights like a space shuttle perched atop its carrier aircraft. The scale is breathtaking, making you realize the ambition behind the space program. This is a place built on big ideas and even bigger achievements, and for a day, you're part of that story. Grandparents can share memories of the moon landing with their grandchildren while kids touch a real piece of the moon. It's a shared experience that fosters connection and awe. As you begin your exploration, you're not just a visitor, you're a participant in one of humanity's greatest adventures. You witness the legacy and feel the promise of the final frontier. Here, the past, present, and future of space exploration come together. And for a moment, the stars feel just a little bit closer. One of the most awe-inspiring stops is Rocket Park. After a short tram ride, anticipation builds as you approach the building housing the Saturn V rocket. Step inside, and you're face to face with the most powerful rocket ever built. Its sheer size fills the hangar. Walking alongside this fallen giant, you see the 3 stages that propelled astronauts to the moon. The massive engines, intricate wiring, and thin metal skin are a testament to human determination and teamwork. Informational displays tell the story of the Apollo program and explain how each stage worked. You can almost hear the roar of the engines and feel the ground shake. It's an immersive experience that transports you back to the thrilling days of the space race. Looking at the Saturn V, you understand the courage it took for astronauts to ride this controlled explosion. It's more than hardware. It's a symbol of a nation daring to dream big. The Rocket Park is a powerful reminder that when people work together, anything is possible. It's a moment that stays with you long after you leave. Here, the impossible becomes real, and you walk away inspired by what humanity can achieve. The heart of the space program is its people, and the Astronaut Gallery brings their stories to life. Surrounded by portraits of those who've traveled to space, you feel the legacy of modern explorers. The gallery houses an amazing collection of spacesuits, from Mercury's silver suits to the bulky gear worn on the moon. Each suit, marked by scuffs and mission patches, is a personal spaceship and a tangible link to history. You see the progression of the space program through the gear astronauts wore, each suit telling a part of our journey into the cosmos. It's a quiet, reflective space to appreciate the sacrifices and achievements of these individuals. Behind every mission are people who trained for years to touch the stars. The gallery is more than a display, it's a source of inspiration. Seeing the diverse group of astronauts reminds you that dreams can come true. It's a celebration of human potential and courage. As you leave, you carry a deeper appreciation for those who paved the way for future explorers. The Astronaut Gallery is humbling and motivating. It's a tribute to the spirit that drives us to explore. There's magic in touching something not from this world. At Space Center Houston, you can touch a real moon rock, collected by Apollo 17 astronauts. This hands-on approach sets the center apart, with interactive exhibits that engage your senses and spark curiosity. Sit in a replica space capsule, try landing the shuttle in a simulator, or operate a robotic rover. These experiences aren't just fun, they're educational, giving you a real feel for the challenges of space travel. For kids and adults alike, the interactive displays are a highlight. The center is a playground for the mind, encouraging exploration and learning by doing. Science comes alive and learning feels like an adventure. These moments create powerful memories, like the feel of a moon rock or the thrill of a simulator. You become an active participant in the story of space exploration. Hands-on discovery makes Space Center Houston unforgettable. It's where curiosity turns into lifelong inspiration. One of the most impressive sights is the full-scale replica of the Space Shuttle Independence perched atop NASA 905, a modified Boeing 747. You can walk right up and even go inside both the aircraft and the shuttle. Seeing them up close reveals their immense scale and the engineering marvel they represent. Inside NASA 905, you explore the cockpit, crew area, and the supports that held the shuttle in place. Informational displays explain the logistics of moving a 170,000 pound orbiter. Climb into the Independence shuttle replica to explore the flight deck and mid-deck, where astronauts lived and worked. The compact, efficient design required for life in space becomes clear. Standing inside, you get a sense of the close quarters and technical environment astronauts called home. It's an immersive experience that makes you feel part of the crew. Walking in the footsteps of heroes, you imagine yourself on a mission to the stars. This exhibit is a must-see for every visitor. No visit is complete without the NASA Tram Tour, a behind-the-scenes look at the real Johnson Space Center. Ride the open-air tram as guides share stories and facts, bringing the campus to life. The highlight, the historic Mission Control Center, restored to its Apollo-era glory. You can almost feel the tension and excitement of the moon landing. Another stop is the Space Vehicle Mock-up Facility, where astronauts train for missions among full-size spacecraft mock-ups. You might see astronauts and engineers at work, preparing for future missions. The tour reveals the scale and scope of NASA's ongoing work. It connects the museum exhibits to real cutting-edge exploration. The tram tour is essential, linking past, present, and future. It's your ticket to the heart of space exploration. To make the most of your day, a little planning goes a long way. Visit on a weekday if possible and arrive early to beat the crowds. Head straight for popular attractions like the NASA Tram Tour before lines build up. Plan for a full day. There's a lot to see. Grab a map and check the daily schedule for special presentations or astronaut talks. Prioritize your must-see exhibits and wear comfortable shoes for all the walking. For families, there are plenty of hands-on activities and a large outdoor play area for kids. Food options are available, but you can also bring your own lunch to enjoy outside. Bring refillable water bottles to stay hydrated. Check the Space Center Houston website for tickets, hours, and event updates. A little preparation ensures a smooth, fun visit. Focus on soaking in the wonder and creating lasting memories. A trip to Space Center Houston is more than educational. It's a chance to connect with those you care about. Shared moments of awe and wonder strengthen bonds between family and friends. The experience sparks curiosity and conversation that lasts long after you leave. Dream together, ask what planet you'd visit or what kind of robot you'd design. Take photos but also be present. Stand together under the giant rockets and look up. Share the quiet reverence of the Astronaut Gallery and the laughter of hands-on exhibits. These shared emotions make the trip truly memorable. It's about creating a story together, a day spent exploring the universe. For friends, it's a unique adventure and a break from the ordinary. Space Center Houston is the perfect backdrop for joy, discovery, and the magic of space. Space Center Houston celebrates curiosity, courage, and the drive to explore the unknown. It's a tribute to the past and a beacon for the future. The stories here are about people who dared to dream and made those dreams real. Come stand in the shadow of giants, touch a piece of the moon, and look into the eyes of astronauts who've traveled to the stars. Let yourself be filled with wonder, the same wonder that's driven explorers for centuries. This place can change your perspective, making you feel small in the cosmos but proud of what humanity can achieve. Let Space Center Houston ignite your curiosity and inspire you to ask big questions. The journey to space is a story for all of us, and this is where it comes to life. The adventure is ongoing and the next chapter is waiting to be written. Thank you for joining this journey. May it inspire your own mission to explore. The universe is waiting. Keep dreaming, keep exploring.